On March the 2nd, Iraq took delivery of a very powerful weapon, the first 50,000 doses of Covid-19 vaccines from China's Sinopharm.
Thanks to coordination between the Chinese embassy in Baghdad and the Iraqi embassy in Beijing, we received this urgent shipment. We thank China for supporting the Iraqi people.
Iraq has also placed orders with AstraZeneca and Pfizer. Their vaccines have produced some of the best results during medical trials. But the pharma companies have large order backlogs from wealthy nations like the US and the UK. So developing countries are looking to Russia and China, which have moved quickly to manufacture their own vaccines.
It helped to project China's soft power, generate goodwill in those countries that receive the Chinese vaccine aid. It also helped promote the image of a country, that is responsible and that is reliable, especially when the United States is absent.
Vaccine nationalism has caused rifts in the EU, which is squabbling with Britain over exports. China's so-called vaccine diplomacy has had markedly different results. While Iraq has welcomed the assistance, others, such as the US, have criticised Beijing, saying it's trying to expand its influence, allegations China has refuted.
This idea is extremely narrow-minded. Vaccines are an important tool to control the coronavirus pandemic and are an important measure implemented collectively by the international community.
Analysts say China is building up goodwill it can then use on contentious issues including the South China Sea, Taiwan, the Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region and Hong Kong. China's vaccine diplomacy may be working abroad, but at home it's a different story. Inoculation rates in the country, including here in Hong Kong, are lagging behind the UK and the US, and vaccine hesitancy could be one of the reasons. Analysts say that China's success in largely controlling the spread of the coronavirus has meant it's not as reliant on vaccines as other countries. But the products being manufactured at home are less effective than those produced in the West. A World Health Organization evaluation of the Sinopharm and Sinovac vaccines are expected later this month.
Even though China is considered the most generous country in supporting the medical supply, it is still lagging behind the United States, or even India, in terms of which country is the most trusted in the region.
China's image abroad is also clouded by questions about how the pandemic started. An investigation by the WHO has yielded little new information. But what is clear is that whatever happened in Wuhan, China's role in ending the pandemic is key. Michelle Hennessy, TRT World, Hong Kong.